Hey, it's Dave from Hat Foundry. I'm going to show you guys real quick how to use the job creator in Mimaki RasterLink 7. It lets you save a bunch of time if you're doing a bunch of tasks that have similar properties. So this one here I use for my acrylic signs where I put down a primer plate, then I put the color, then I put the white, and then the clear. Um, so yours may look a little bit different. But basically what you're wanting to do is you're going to want to set this up one time kind of like this, have everything arranged how you want it, all your settings in place. Come over to your backup um, section and back the job up. Just hit back up, and then you're going to want to save it to whatever folder you want to save it to. Just remember where you save it. So I keep all my backed up files right here, and then you just hit save. So then what you do is you come over, once it saves everything, you come over to File, Open Job Creator, and it's going to pop up. Yours, again, it's going to be different depending on what you have in here. But you click your Create button, and it's going to ask you for that backup file you just made. So you just come over here, click on your backup file, hit Open. It's going to let you type in a name for it. Give you a little description area there so you can remember what job this is. So you can see it made it right down here. It's called New Sign Demo. You just click on that, you hit Next. And you can see it's got all your layers ready to go. So the only thing you have to do is add your image to that. So it can be like a PDF, it can be a PNG, whatever you want to use. So we're just going to throw something in there real quick, like this, and then click and drag it over there. And it's going to turn blue, so you can see that's loaded up. And then you hit the create button. You might be able to put more than one image in here. Let's see what happens. This guy's got one. Yeah, and if you do it like that to where you have more than one image, you're gonna have to drag it into each of them. So just do the one at a time, and then hit create job, and you can see it loads it over to the rip software, and it's gonna execute all the ripping of the layers. And then once it's done doing that, it's going to throw it over in your job list. And you can see everything set up just like we have it up here, where we got our primer, we got our color, we got our white, and then our clear. And you come in here, and this goes on the back of acrylic sign, so I got set up to mirror. It automatically mirrors it. If you wanted to change anything, you can still change everything like you do any other time. And that's how you set up jobs in Job Creator. Super simple. And say you wanted to load up a new image for that job, same thing. Just hit File, Open Job Creator. I'm going to hit the back button, and then I'm just going to do the same thing again. Hit Next, load your image, then let's load a new image in there, and click and drag it over here. And it's going to update everything for you. Just hit Create, hit OK. Wait for it to come over here. And then there you go. So that's how you use the Job Creator. I haven't used it a whole bunch. I only use it for the things, a few handful of things like the acrylic signs, patches, and things like that. But it's things I do a lot of. So it saves some time from having to go in and set these layers up each and every single time I'll switch an image out. So if you have any questions or anything, you can leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them.